What's going on? My name is Brian Hopkins and I am back here on my YouTube channel. It's been a little while since I've updated it, but what I want to show you is how I've been able to make over $10,000 in the last 30 days using Easy1Up. And not only that, you can see here that I've made a total of $46,825 since I initially started back in 18, but I've really gotten back into it over the past 45 days, and I've seen my income go up about to a little over $10,000. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start putting out some videos, probably not every day, but every couple of days, and kind of show you the process that I use on how to get traffic, how to get leads, what kind of funnels I'm using, how I lead people through my funnels, and how do you sell high ticket. For me, basically everything I'm selling is a $1,000 ticket. I don't really mess with the $2,500, $250, $500 levels. Basically everyone comes in at the $1,000 level. So with Easy1Up, when people come in at $1,000, that's 100% commission. So they pay the fee to the business on top of the $1,000, which is $100. But the $1,000 will come directly to me or to you, depending on whether I'm selling it or you're selling it. And is what I want to show you is how I'm having success with it and how you too can also have success. So this is going to be a little short video, but in the next coming days is what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be releasing some more videos that you can follow. And below, in the links below, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some links below, and you can join my Facebook group. And there's going to be a link to that group, and what that will give you the ability to do is get some extra training that won't be here on YouTube. And not only that, you'll have access to ask me questions within the group. I will respond pretty quick to the questions in the group. Now, it is a new group, so it is something where you'll get more hands-on training if you decide to jump into the group, because there's not too many people in there right now. And it's not not too crowded in there. You won't get lost in the whole shuffle there. So not only that, if you have some questions that you want to speak directly to me, whether or not you're already an Easy1Up, or you have other high ticket offers you're trying to sell, or whatever, or just maybe have questions in affiliate marketing or make money online, period at all, I'm going to put a link below. And you can contact me directly there, either through email, or if you find that you want to go ahead and get started, you don't want to sit here and try to piece all the parts of the puzzle together, and you're ready to jump in today. That you're ready to start making money online, but you don't know where to start. I'll go ahead and I'll put an application also in the link below. So the three main things that you're going to see below are you'll see my Facebook group, you'll see an email address where if you want to send me an email, and on top of that you'll have an application link. And all I do is ask a couple questions about what your history is and where you're currently at with making money online or doing any kind of affiliate marketing online, and I just want to make sure that we can get you started on the right path. So with that being said, make sure to click the like button, follow me below, so you can get updates when I release my new videos. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks.